Hey everyone, it's Kimberly and welcome back to my channel, Home with Kimberly. Today I am doing a simple recipe for dinner, but it's simple but it's flavorful and good. And it's actually, I found these smoked pepper sausage links, I believe they are, at the grocery store. If you watch my grocery haul, you'll see where I had those on there. And I thought I would just make them kind of like you would have bratwurst, have it in the bun, but just put a couple of different fun toppings on it. So I grew up going to the Kentucky State Fair. We would go every year as a child. I absolutely loved it. Some of my best memories with my parents. And this meal is reminiscent, even though it's so simple, it reminds me so much of the fair. This is the kind of food that you would see there with the sausages and all the onions and peppers and all the accompaniments that you could get on one of those Italian sausage deals that you could get. So this is kind of a nod to that for me. So you'll see I don't always go out of my way to make something, some big fancy dinner. I know I like to make a lot of things from scratch, but I definitely take help from the store, from, pre-made. Obviously, well, I don't grind my own meat or make my own sausages, although I might. So stuff like that, and your pantry goods, canned goods and stuff. I use all that too in my cooking, which you see that anyway. So like I said, this is a very simple recipe, but I think it's just nice to throw something different in there, and something easy but still something that I know my husband will definitely like. So don't forget to like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. Okay, so real simple here. First, we're just going to cut up our green bell pepper, or any color you would like, and we're just going to cut it into strips, thin or thick, that's up to you. Next, we're going to add in some butter to a preheated skillet and let that get melted down, and then we're going to add in our green peppers to that. Then we are just going to slice up an onion and again cut that into strips and add that into the hot pan with the bell peppers. And next I'm going to open up a can of sauerkraut and put that into a hot skillet. You could actually throw that in with the bell pepper onion mixture and just heat that all up together. Actually, that'd be good too, but you're just wanting to heat this through. And you just want to keep an eye on your bell pepper onion mixture, and I'm actually going to add in just a little extra vegetable oil to keep that moving along so it doesn't burn on me. I want to get a nice char on it, but obviously not to burn. And now this is what it's looking like. So once you have those cooked down and a good color on those, just take those out and set them on a plate. And then I'm getting out my smoked sausage links, adding a little bit of water into that same pan, and I like to steam the sausages, just heat them up that way first. They're already pre-cooked. Just let those go for a while until the water completely evaporates out. And in the meanwhile, I'm going to toast up. I'm just spreading a little bit of butter on my buns, and I'm going to put those under the broiler for a couple of minutes just to toast the buns. Now these sausages are looking awesome. I actually, after the water was evaporated out, I added in some butter and let that go for a few minutes just to crisp up those casings. And now we are ready to assemble our sausage in the bun. So I have my toasted bun here. I'm going to add in some spicy mustard and some ketchup to the bottom of the bun first. It's just easier to do it that way, makes it less messy. And then I'm going to add my sausage on top. Next I'm adding in some sauerkraut. And finally the sausage and peppers. And that is it. This was such a simple meal and it was so tasty. Again, it really took me back to the Kentucky State Fair days when we used to go there and eat all of this kind of food. It just brought back warm memory. And I was going to make some homemade French fries in the oven to go with this, but I didn't have time. That would be a great side, or anything you like. A salad if you want to feel a little bit healthier, or nothing. That's totally up to you. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.